And it's usually easy to use the mallet with the tack remover. Okay? All right. Well, okay, so we're really excited. I want to say thank you to all the people who have signed up at Broadway Upholstery School. We're off to a great start. Michelle has been doing a restoration on an Eastlake chair. Jimmy is going to be coming up to the next class. He's doing an ottoman that he's really excited about. It's coming out great. It's not too late to join up. We really, anytime you can jump in at the 6-week class. Tonight's going to be number 4. And the other thing that I'm really excited about are the live chats that we do every week. These chats, live chats, have been so exciting. We have people from Kenya, we have people from England, we have people from Saudi Arabia, from all over the world who are tuning in, and some of them are up at 3 o'clock in the morning, I guess. I want to talk about the future of the classes because they've gone off so well. We are definitely going to continue this, no problem at all. And we're working right now on a book on how to teach upholstery. So all you who are advanced, if you have some really confidence in your ability, I'm going to teach you how to teach, which is really going to, if you have a shop already, it's really going to be great for you guys because I think it's a great way to promote your business. And we're working on that. That's going to be offered on the website as well. So another thing that we're going to be doing on the website is offering custom videos for anybody out there who, for instance, has a very problem chair, like a wing chair that they can't figure out. We're going to customize a video just for you. We'll do that wing chair, for instance, or any other project. Mid-century furniture trips up a lot of people. So if you have a mid-century piece that you've always wanted to do and that you want to pay a little extra, obviously, because I'd be working on that one piece. I'll find a piece that looks like what you have and I'll upholster it. We'll do a YouTube custom video. So that's it, folks. Grab your hammers and your scissors and jump in.